Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you how to create, excuse me, a second or third or fourth YouTube channel using your account. So if you've already got an account and you've signed up, but you want to create a second channel on that same account, it's actually not all that hard, but there is one red herring or one trap. So here's how you do it, guys. You'll see here I'm logged in as the Electric Bike, which is a company that I work with. And what I want to do is you want to click on this and you actually want to go down to settings. Now, resist the urge to hit switch account here, and then you'll see here something that says add account. That is not the way to do it, even though it would make sense if that was, if it was the right way, but it's not. So anyways, go back here. You want to go to settings, and where do we have it here? So I got my channel, and then yes, we want to go to settings. There it is, guys. Sorry, I was just paying attention. And then here, now on the account, on the left side, you'll see here that I'm on the first tab. It says account. Go here to add or manage your channels, and here's where we add it. So when I click on that, you're going to see that I've got a few channels here already, none of them that are really active. I'm going to click on this plus sign here, and it says create a new channel. And I'm going to name this one Ray Morrison Comedian, because that's my friend and I'm creating a channel for him. And then you just left click on create, and it will get to work and it will build you a new account or a new channel, pardon me. But here's the other thing, guys. If you do this on Safari, right now Safari's having a few issues, so it will go through, it looks like, but it gives you a fail sign, or it gives you a fail page, like something went wrong. But usually it works, but I just want you guys to know that. So that's all there is to it. Going a little further, if you want to customize it, create a new logo, put up your channel art, all that stuff, guys, I've got tutorials on that too. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the tutorial. I got a ton of stuff coming up. Stay tuned.